Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to save a video from iMovie. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to save a movie from iMovie. Maybe because you have created a video, you have spent a lot of time in creating a masterpiece, and now you don't know how to download it into your mobile so that you could post it on different social media platforms. Or it could be any other reason for you to know how to download the video from iMovie to your mobile. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first you have to make sure that you have already installed the iMovie from App Store, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it. And once you install it, just simply tap on its icon to open the app. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how it looks. We have options 3 available on our screen. So the first two options are not necessary, so we will skip them because from these two it will create a movie on its own. So we have to click on third one, through which we can select any kind of video from our mobile phone gallery and can edit it according to our preferences. So if you want to know how to save a video from iMovie, first we have to create a movie. So for that you have to gather any kind of media of your choice from your mobile phone gallery to this app. For that you just have to simply click off the videos or pictures that you want to import, and once you're done selecting, you just have to simply click on create movie, which is this option. Once you tap on it, it will import all your selected videos or photos in the app, and from there you can do like simple kind of editings, add text, music and different stuff. You can also add different kind of videos, music and stuff. And once you're done creating your videos, what we have to do here is that you just have to simply click on done, which is on the top left side of the screen, as you can see. Once you click onto that option, it will save your project but not in your mobile phone. It will only save it in the app, and after that we will see how we can save it into our computer, or you could say our mobile phone. So here you can see the video has been saved. At the bottom we have three options. Through this option we can view video, through this option we can share it, and through this option we can delete it. So we have to click on this middle option. Once you click here, you will see this interface. First you can share it onto different things like Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and on the other hand we have this second option which says save video. If you click onto this, it will save the video in your mobile phone gallery. Here, as you can see, it will just take a while to load, and once the loading is done, the video will be saved in your mobile phone, and after that you can use it, like you can post it on any kind of social media platforms. If you want to send it to someone, you can also do that, and if you want to like do whatever you want to do with a video, you can do that. So here, as you can see, it is just about to be saved, and it also indicated that the video has been saved to your photo gallery. Now you can watch it, can post it anywhere. Whatever you want to do with a video, you can do that. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can save a video from iMovie. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.